Hello guys, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install iPhone keyboard on your phone Huawei, so let's start. So at first you need to open Play Store on your phone and then install application which is called Green Apple Keyboard. So when you install this application, just open it right here. So enable Green Apple Keyboard, then enable in settings, then switch on this. Okay. Turn back, switch to Green Apple Keyboard. Click here and then click English. And then congratulations, you're all set. So let's try it, for example in Chrome. I'm sorry guys. So for example, let's try it. So now we have the iPhone keyboard on our phone guys. So if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe and see you later guys. Bye bye.